Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a glowing effect sort of thing, like these guys I drew here in Autodesk sketchbook. It's actually quite simple, but yeah, it's quite easy to do. Let's do a new sketch and I'll show y'all. So the first thing you want to do once you make, have your sketch ready, it doesn't have to be black, but the effect definitely works better if you make your background black. So once we got that, we want to make two other layers to make to have a total of 3 layers. The top layer is where we have our main drawing. We'll have our drawing of the thing we want to glow. Make the brush white, draw like your little character or something. And then you have your character, so that's what we want to glow. So on the bottom layer, we're gonna use the same brush, and then we're gonna choose the color we want. In this case, I'll be choosing this orange, and you want to trace around. You could also try copy and pasting the original drawing and making it bigger, but sometimes that makes it blurry and sometimes it just doesn't work well because, don't know, some weird stuff happens. So also trace the eyes. I almost forget that sometimes. You want to make the outline of the colors slightly bigger of the actual white thing. So you got this right now, and on the last layer at the bottom, what you want to do is switch to an airbrush and just go over it like 2 to 3 times to make it look like it's glowing. So basically you want to trace this like 2 to 3 times to make it actually appear that it's glowing, because if you do it once, it doesn't really appear like it's glowing. So here you got our glow. That is pretty cool. But some of you guys might be saying, hey yo, but there's a freaking glow brush already. You got this guy. And yes, you totally are correct. But as you can see, it looks yellow. Or not really yellow, but the color does not appear as the right color sometimes. And sometimes it may be too strong or something. It definitely works, but another problem is if you keep tracing it, it just becomes all white, which it's not good when you do a circle and it's like, oh look, yeah, then yeah. So this is an alternative way of not using this brush, because it can be weird. It can be weird. Like, look at this, all of that, just because it's overlapping, it's all like foggy. So just doing this is better in my opinion. So if you like this video, make sure to smash like button. I'll keep this actually. Make sure to smash like button or something, subscribe, and yeah, that's the end of this video.